What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Touchdowns to Home Runs. My name is Bernie. Thank you for joining us today on the Touchdowns to Home Runs show. I hope that your day is going absolutely fantastic. Today, we're going to be doing a player profile breakdown on David Abiara, the 6'4", 248-pound strong side defensive end who just made the decision to commit to Texas. Now, this move doesn't really come as that much of a surprise, as majority of the experts on 24/7 Sports did have him committing here, but Oklahoma and Notre Dame were also in the mix. According to the 24/7 Sports composite ranking system, David Abiara is rated as a 4-star recruit. He's ranked as the number 24th overall strong side defensive end in his class, the number 51st overall recruit from the state of Texas, and the number 359th overall recruit in the recruiting class of 2021. He's got a big frame and college-ready size, but he definitely has room to add some more bulk. He's a versatile player with good strength and active hands. He's a solid tackler and good in the pass rush. The only thing I would say is that he does need to improve his balance and his body control. For the recruiting class of 2021, before the signing, Texas's recruiting class was already ranked number 17 nationally. They already had one 5-star signing, and this now marks their 10th 4-star signing of the class. If you guys did make it to this point in the video, thank you. Let me know your thoughts on this commitment for Texas down in the comment section below. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to Touchdowns to Home Runs for more commitment breaks just like this. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time.